Afternoon. My name is Dave from Mobile Eco Tuning, or MET as we are known these days. I just want to have a little bit of chat about diagnostics tools, especially Autel Diagnostics tools. You can see we've got a few tools here on the table. We've got one set out to a TV just so you can see what I'm talking about. We've done a video quite a few years ago regarding the myths and the truths of Autel Diagnostics, where they come from, and the whole myth around the grey import. We've sold Autel tools for around 8 years now. We've imported them for about 8 years. We have sold, supported, repaired, dealt with the factory for around 8 years. We've been in the game for quite a long time. So I just want to put a few truths, non-truths, myths to bed regarding the tools. And this isn't just from us, this is from Amazon or wherever else you may get your tools from. So there's a difference between grey import tools and tools that come from the UK market, as in Autel UK, which are technically a franchise of Autel China. There is no fake Autels out there. So the first thing, if anyone says there's a fake Autel, there is no such thing as a fake Autel. All Autels are real, and to this day I've never seen a fake one. Does a grey import exist? Yes, they class it as a grey import. And what they mean by grey import is you haven't purchased it from a local authorised dealer like Autel UK. Autel UK obviously supply lots of motor factors and everything else. Where do our tools come from? So our tools are imported directly from China, and they do class them as grey import. However, the difference between the tools, there is no difference. Literally zero. This is an Autel Ultra Light, which is a tool that we supply, and the software on it is exactly the same as you would purchase from Autel UK. There is no difference between the software on this and the software of a Autel Ultra you may buy from Motor Factors or from Amazon or direct from China. It is all exactly the same. Hardware difference? Again, there's no hardware differences. The hardware is exactly the same on all the tools. Again, no difference there. We often get asked, or we're often told that a tool from China can't be updated once it's run out of subscriptions. Again, this is a myth, or this is false information. I like to call it scaremongering. You can update the tool on the tool itself, which is direct from China. You can log on to your Autel account and update it on there. You can contact Autel and you can update it with them. Or you can go on our website and you can update it on our website. We are probably the cheapest around. We're a lot cheaper than on the tool, and it's still an official update. A new tool, getting a new tool and registering it. You register one of these tools exactly the same as you register a tool from Autel UK or Amazon or eBay or import. You have an Autel account, you log into your Autel account, and you register it with your Autel account. And it's literally as simple as that. The rumours about not being able to update are absolutely incorrect. The rumours about it having different software on it is incorrect. The rumours about our being IP locked in the UK is incorrect. You have exactly the same. Let's go through what is different, because there has to be a difference between these tools and a tool where you buy from Autel UK. Because why would you pay another 1,000, maybe 2,000 for the high-end tools for no difference? There has to be a difference. So the difference is, on the back of an Autel UK authorised distributor tool, or one of their authorised distributors, you will get a EU support label. It's an orange label, about that big. What does that get you? It gets you support with Autel UK. I do believe they have a ticket system, and that's it. That is where the differences end. You can obviously use Autel UK for your support. I don't know what their support's like. We've never used it, so I can't say either way. I suppose if you have a tool that breaks, you send it back to them and they'll repair it. So what do we do that rivals that? So we support our tools here we have got a strong team that support the tools here. If you have a software issue, or if you can't use it, or if you want some training on it, you can call our dedicated team and get through to someone straight away, or you can send an email. If you have a hardware problem, again, our team will deal with it. You can send the unit back to us, and where we can, if we can, we will send you a loan unit out so that you're not without an Autel tool. If we need to send it back to China for repair, 9 times out of 10, we will give you a loan tool because it can be up to a couple of weeks that'll be without your tool. We also repair Autels in-house. We keep screens and digitalizers and batteries in stock. So if we need to do an in-house repair on your machine, that is what we'll do. So pretty much, that's the differences in the machines. We get a lot of people calling saying, such and such has said, yours are great imports and they won't do this and they won't do that. Sadly, that is a bit of a sales pitch. And it's a sales pitch we want to dismiss. We've got many thousands of happy customers, as other people will have, Amazon and everything else. I just thought I'd put that to bed and give a bit of an informative video on having a grey import versus the local. The difference really is the support. And that is why we've built a dedicated team to support the tools. And that is why we sell the amount we sell. We have good support and we have a great team. If you have any questions or comments on around the grey import versus non-grey import, I don't like to call it grey import, our supplied tools versus their supplied tools, you can give us a call and we can give you some factual information on it just to make sure that, you know, everyone's singing the same song sheet. If you need anything from us, just pick the phone up, give our team a call. You can visit our website or you can chat to us on WhatsApp or email. Thank you very much.